Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. But before that, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. If you are a job seeker and searching for a job, then this is the right place for you as we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment and preparation. So you will definitely gonna get your first job if you follow us rigorously. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. So with that note, let's quickly start with today's video. So today we will talk about Wipro off campus hiring. So Wipro has announced their Elite National Talent Hunt 2022. So through this, they are hiring for freshers. So this is the National Talent Hunt for Freshers hiring program to attract the best talent from 2021 and 2022 engineering graduates across the country. And if you want to enable equal employment opportunities for India's deserving engineering talent, then they are looking for you. So the registration for this will start from today, that is 2nd May, and the registration end date will be 22nd May. So you have little time left, as there are only 20 days you have, so you need to register yourself as soon as possible. So do register if you are eligible. Okay, and online assessment for this will be from May 21 to June 5, 2022. Okay, so within this duration your assessment will be conducted. Okay, so now quickly move on with the eligibility criteria. So the qualification they want are BE, BTech from yeah, this is the compulsory degree. If you should have BE, BTech or MEM Tech, and full time courses only. Okay, so if you are from BE, BTech, any branches are eligible. And if you are from MEM Tech, that is 5-year integrated courses if you have done, so you are eligible. And your degree should be recognized by central or state government of India. Okay, all the branches except fashion technology and textile engineering and agriculture and food technology, these branches are not eligible. Other than that, all the branches are eligible. Okay, now 60% or 6 point CGPA, 6.0 CGPA, that is 6 CGPA, so or equivalent as per your university guidelines are required. And only full-time courses, no part-time or correspondence or distance learning education in degree 10th or 12th eligible. Okay, so only full-time courses are eligible. And in the 10th standard you should have above 60%, and in the 12th standard the same should follow. Okay, now if I talk about the batch, so only 2021 and 2022 batch pass out are eligible, and your designation will be project engineer. And revised compensation, if I talk about, so your designation for project engineer, there will be joining compensations of 3,50,000, and flat bonus post 6 months from joining, that will be 25K. Okay, so you will get 25,000 bonus after 6 months of completion of degree, and to be merged with compulsory after 12th month of the bonus payout. Okay, and regularly yearly increment and merge bonus on 18th, 24th, and 36th month from date of joining. Okay, so these all are the salaries and compensation you will be eligible for. And your salary will be 3.5 LPA. Okay, service agreement, so there will be 12 months of service agreement with the company, and if you break that service agreement, then you need to pay 75,000 to the company. Okay, now other criteria, if I talk about, so one backlog is allowed at the time of assessment stage. So if you have one backlog right now, and you want to apply for this job, then you can apply. More than one backlog, then you are not eligible. Now the offer will be subject to all backlog being cleared. So at the time of offer letter, so you will get offer letter if your all the black backlog will be cleared. Okay, otherwise you will not get offer from the company. Now maximum 3 years of gap in education allowed between 10th to graduation. Okay, so more than 3 years gap is not allowed, and the candidate who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 6 months are not eligible. So you should not have applied or participated in any Wipro hiring in last 6 months. Okay. Now, the candidate should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card in the event of holding passport or any country. And Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. Okay. These all are the eligibility criteria. So you can check that out. If you are eligible, then do apply for this job opportunity. Now, evaluation process, if I talk about, so first you will register yourself for this drive. Then if you are eligible, then you will be receive a mail for online assessment that will be for from the comfort of your home. Then if you clear the online assessment, then you will have a business discussion, and after business discussion, if you clear that, then you will get letter of intent, and after that you will get offer letter. Okay. Now, the online assessment will be of 128 minutes. That will be comprising of three sections. Okay, first section will be aptitude test, and they will be asking you logical ability, quantitative ability, and verbal ability, and that will be of 48 minutes. Now, there will be a written communication test, and in this communication test they will be asking essay writing, and the duration for this will be 20 minutes. Okay. Now, online programming test, so there will be two coding questions, and the duration for this will be 60 minutes, and the candidate can choose any one of these programming language from Java, C++, or Python. Okay, so these four languages are there, so you can choose any one of them. Okay. And last date to apply, I have already discussed that 22nd May will be your last date to apply for this job. Okay. And this is all they have given about Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt program. So you can go through with this all these things. Okay, so you will be cleared about it, and if you want to know more about the company, then you can go to their website, that is www.wipro mbirds.com. Okay, so there, this is the website, you can go there. Okay. Now, if you want to apply for this job, then the link will be in the description box. This is a really good opportunity for 2021 and 2022 batch, so do apply. You need to click on this apply now button and complete your application, and after completion you will receive a mail from the company. And yeah, if you are eligible, then you will receive a mail from the company, and you do prepare for the online assessment, as the assessment will start from 21st May. Okay. So this is all for Wipro off campus hiring. This is the mass hiring, guys, so please do apply if you are eligible. Okay. So this is all for today's video. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.